This new cryptocurrency is looking to change the world. Over the last few years, several multi-billion-dollar crypto firms rose in the space, along with a slew of new, exciting, and profitable ways to speculate. And all of these billion-dollar firms were intertwined heavily, all of them exposed to each other, all of them in debt to each other, all of them engaging in massively leveraged trades and nonsensical business models and crazy speculation. And the retail traders were just as greedy and just as enmeshed. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and meme coins like Dogecoin and Pi coins are all too volatile for the market. So is there hope for something better? Wait! There is a cryptocurrency that wants to change the world. So, what is it? Hello everyone, welcome back to Billionaire Crypto Investor. Today we are talking about a new cryptocurrency that has the potential to survive this bearish fall and wants to change the world. Are you ready to know? Without delaying any further, let's get started. And hey, make sure you please press that bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates from our channel. While plenty of investors already engage in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the hundreds of other cryptocurrencies now floating on the open market, many others are hesitant to jump in. The main thing keeping investors away from cryptocurrencies is price volatility. Potential investors are rightly concerned that if they buy in now, they may see their assets wiped out by another flash crash of this sort. At the same time, potential users are waiting for cryptocurrency to become a more widely accepted form of payment. Both of these things will only happen once volatility dies down. The primary reason for volatility in cryptos is their newness. All new concepts take time to settle and be accepted, and the same holds for cryptocurrencies. Investors bet on the prices going up or down, and these speculative bets cause a sudden influx or outgo, leading to high volatility. Volatility is by no means unique to cryptocurrencies. Gold is a safe haven asset prized by investors for its stability, but only because it is no longer the standard value underpinning national currencies. During the era of the gold standard, gold prices were incredibly volatile. Paper money is no different. Between the First and Second World Wars, the value of Weimar Germany's Reichsmarks hyperinflated to impossible proportions, ruining the country's finances. The same thing happened less than a decade ago in Zimbabwe when the farming industry was redistributed. There are many newcomer cryptocurrencies in the market, as the internet computer promises to provide a new space, and many other currencies like Chia Coin claim to be eco-friendly. There's a new currency in the town, and its name is change. And this currency is quite a new cryptocurrency that will donate 10% of its transactions to a good cause. Yes, you heard it right. It will donate 10% of all transactions for a very worthy cause. It has been launched in May 2021, and in only a week it was able to raise $136,744 for Australian bushfire relief. How does it work? Change has a unique working model, and it says it will always spread positivity with its transactions. From that 10%, 1% will be distributed to the token holders in the blockchain of this coin, which will initially help to bring the adoption. Then the remaining 9% will be divided 50-50 every day, and one sum will be used to stake the treasury for the future development. The blockchain of this coin is coded in a way that every transaction is split and a portion for donation is acquired. The inherent nature of the system gives it a novel edge over the others by adding tangible value. Charity is at the guts of the cryptocurrency, and it's currently up for purchase on PancakeSwap. The team behind the new token has been very active on social media and provides an in-depth account of their regular developments. All the donations are routed through the Binance Charity Foundation, and within 24 hours of the debut, they were ready to raise $136,000 for the Australian bushfire relief. So the plan of them was very good, at least it seemed so on paper, but it went down a little bit since then. Another currency performed outstandingly in the market, and its name was the Internet Computer. The Internet Computer is a secure, decentralized, and cost-effective blockchain network that aims to expand the functionality of the Internet. It aims to take over the $370 billion cloud computing market and get rid of the reliance on centralized server systems. Operating according to an advanced decentralized protocol called ICP, or Internet Computer Protocol, Internet Computer expands the functionality of the public internet so that it can host back-end software, transforming it from a global network to a public compute platform. It allows building websites and enterprise systems without the need for legacy technology such as cloud services, databases, and firewalls. Users can install their code directly on the public internet and communicate and process computation through the Internet Computer Protocol. The Internet Computer is infinitely scalable as well as decentralized, allowing for applications to exist on the internet in perpetuity. This enables users to build and deploy open internet services that can run on the network itself rather than on servers owned by Facebook, Google, or Amazon. It's housed in a network of machines distributed around the world and runs the next generation of mega applications, decentralized versions of Uber, eBay, Facebook, and more. The best thing is that it provides a powerful framework for developers. It aims to extend the public internet and be the world compute platform. The scientific backbone behind the ICP is chain key technology. This cryptographic protocol arranges the nodes and makes the network, enabling it to have a single public key. It also allows new nodes to form a new subnet and scale the network infinitely. We estimate that after mid-2024, ICP should start seeing upward movement as the BTC halving will take place around then. ICP has a moderate to low circulating supply compared to many and a very good blockchain. They were lacking marketing efforts, which they are now looking into. In my personal opinion, I would think it would be a good coin to buy throughout the bear market. ICP does smart contracts plus hosting. It also uses cryptography to interact with other chains with a unique identity, simulating an end user directly access other chains in a way that isn't possible with other ledgers. ICP is currently developing a decentralized exchange that will have much cheaper fees to operate. Once direct Bitcoin integration is complete, Q4 according to roadmap, I think you'll see the negative public sentiment caused by ICP's early crash begin to lift. At some point, the underlying tech will become the main driver of the price, overpowering the negative sentiment and releasing the downward pressure on ICP. When that day comes, I believe the market will see 10x gains in a very short burst, followed by a period of extreme volatility, but ultimately ending up with ICP being the third largest market cap in crypto. But this feels like it may take time to take off. Developers do not seem to be rushing to adopt ICP, so that may take time. There's the will and the money to deal with any adoption issues, but there's a possibility it won't. I did dive into the tokenomics and governance, and I don't think I could explain the issues in a clear, concise way, but they both seem flawed. For a project trying to be the missing part of the decentralization puzzle, it did strike me as far too centralized. I think these problems can be solved. One key piece to its success, even in the short term, is a killer app or solution on ICP. There are a few small apps that are just that, small and clunky. The overall impression I am getting from this approach that ICP has taken so far is to target developers, saying, hey, look at us, come build something, rather than releasing at least one big solution that everyone would want to adopt. Tell the whole world, show the whole world, including end users, that this is the real deal, and here is why you need to use ICP. There is also the issue of the labor market, and companies are finding it hard to get talent because of their desire to avoid raising wages and increasing perks, as well as many companies' resistance to the new era of remote work. If the labor market loosens, we could also see some more economic growth. However, this could take anywhere between a few months and a few years. And many say that we may suffer some type of recession in between, so only time will tell how much these currencies grow. And that's it for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll see even more of our incredible videos. Hey, thanks for watching today's video, and we'll catch up in the next one. Happy